this example, we're asked to solve by completing the square. So we have the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 12x plus 1 equals 7. Now, as a review, we'll complete the square using the area model. And so we have 4x squared, the quadratic term in the upper left-hand corner. We take this linear term, negative 12x, because it's a square, we want to split it up evenly, negative 6x there and negative 6x there between those two boxes. We've got 4x squared, which is a perfect square. We know that's 2x times 2x. And again, 2x times negative 3 equals negative 6x, and 2x times negative 3 equals 6x. So now we have a square. We know this is a square because we have 2x minus 3 above and 2x minus 3 on the side. And then, normally, negative 3 times negative 3 would equal what here? Would equal 9, but we've got a plus 1 as the constant term. So there's an important life lesson that's illustrated here. Sometimes when you want something but it's not quite working out in life, you just have to make it happen. So we've got a plus 1 here, and we want a plus 9 in order for it to be a perfect square, because we want negative 3 times negative 3 to equal 9, but it's a 1 there. So what are we going to do when life gives us a plus 1 but we want a plus 9? We're going to make it happen. And to do that, we're going to add 8 to both sides of the equation. When we do that, we get 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 15. And now we have that plus 9 that we want as the constant term. And then we know that 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So we can replace 4x squared minus 12x plus 9, like we did before, with quantity 2x minus 3 all squared, and that's equal to 15. From there, we'll solve it like we did in the previous example, where we'll square root both sides, remembering that it's going to be a plus or minus square root 15. Then we'll add 3 to both sides, and then finally divide both sides by 2, and we'll get an answer of 3 plus or minus square root 15 over 2. And so now we have successfully completed this example of solving this quadratic equation by completing the square. And remember, we had to make it happen.